Are you a beginner trader, or you have been trading for a long period of time and you have seen no progress in the path you have taken as a forex trader? Or you feel you have been wasting your time in forex trading and you have seen no gain out of it? Welcome friends, this is the King's FX. I'm here to guide you so that you can know the wrong thing you have been doing for the past period of time since you have started your journey. Those were the things that I also did, but after leaving them, I feel I'm progressing ahead in my forex journey. So, one major thing that we have to do is to change our mindset. Why mindset? A philosopher once said, anything that the mind can perceive and believe, it can be attained. How do you think you can perceive when you have a wrong mindset? Perceiving something that is wrong. You believe in something wrong and you feel you can attain success in this forex journey. So, if our perception about forex trading is still wrong, and then we should forget about thinking of attaining success in forex trading. So, we shall highlight 3 main problems that has made us to be struggling or remain in the circle of doom, that has made us not to progress to the next level. If we keep doing the same thing time and time again, the same wrong thing time and time again, and then we shall not go any further other than just remaining in stress and cursing why we joined forex trading. So, I don't blame you. Maybe if you are facing the difficulties, but the only problem is when you go into YouTube, you go and start searching for the BS videos. These BS videos talking about lifestyles of different forex traders, but which will not take you any further. So one of the major problem is these fake gurus in the social media. How does this affect your forex journey? These fake gurus or influencers in the social media, they will come and claim to beginner forex traders that they have made it in life. They are making fortune out of forex. This may be a point of motivation. Me as a beginner trader, I thought that could motivate me. Seeing people driving their Lamborghini, the fast cars, having expensive trips, all that I feel could motivate me. But at the end of the day, I have not learned any skill from their videos other than just consuming their content and being motivated maybe to buy the product they are selling. So, when we keep scrolling in YouTube and start searching for such videos, a day in the life of a forex trader, a day in that, all that kind of lifestyle thing will not take us further other than just focusing on what should help us. If you keep viewing people's lifestyle, at the end of the day, you're following somebody's life and you're not building yours. So, if you want to see a change in your forex journey, stop wasting time on BS videos, lifestyle, good things you desire to have. Instead, start doing the right thing that will make you have the lifestyle you want and the freedom that you wish to have, that is promised by forex trading. So, that is one major problem, wasting time in non-productive YouTube videos that we feel it is helping us. We feel we are being motivated. Fine, we may be motivated, but motivation will never last for long. We shall not learn the discipline in forex trading and the reality in forex trading. So, if you want to progress, then we have to cancel that out of our line. The second thing that beginner trader fall traps of, it is are looking for shortcuts. When I personally just joined Forex trading, I would run into different content creators channels. I would go and look for their Telegram links. I joined their Telegram groups, but what is my target? It is just to get the free signals. But these signals will not help to build up the skill. I wasted 2 good months following signals. Sometimes if I take one wrong signal, I start hating the trade, and yet I don't know why I was buying or selling in the Forex market. So when we stop looking for shortcuts and following signals for other successful traders, let us target in knowing the skill and learning the skills. And then thirdly, it is the unrealistic expectation out of Forex trading. This still takes us back to the problem of the influencers. These influencers may make you believe that you can turn $10 into 1 million or $100 or thousands of dollars within a couple of days, which is realistically not true. That cannot easily be attained. So those people will make us keep perceiving Forex trading in the wrong way. So when we start knowing the reality and realistic expectation out of the Forex industry, we should know that this industry will not make us go rich as quick as possible. But success out of the industry takes time. But how can you become a successful trader? It's just by applying the discipline and doing the right thing. If you're a beginner, you have to do the correct thing time and time again. Build up your psychology, build up your trading skill, have a trading plan in whatever you're doing, so that as you begin your trading journey, it may not be a long way. This is what I have for today. Peace.